Guys, we have 4 boxes of these. 4. We have 4 boxes of these. Don't have to worry about coffee for a while. Hi guys, it's Friday. And this is what we have so far. And then when I get in the house, I'll give you guys a little more true what's in that box and what's in that bag. But yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in the house. Okay, guys, we have some eggs.
Chili, birthday, pork, and green sauce. This is just because it's in the bag.
I like.
I might keep drinking.
And we have bread.
The reason why I didn't drink none of the other one is because
The pomegranate.
this. I can drink this to bring my sugar up, though.
Yeah. Some chili, pork and cream salsa, some Epsom salt. Goodies. Zero sugar. The crackled eggs. Pumpkin seed flex. Vegan sauce.
I don't know. You have to read on it.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, apple juice.
Apple juice. Yes.
Get that box out of here.
It's like fruit smoothies. Another one of those. Some chips. And then we have blueberry syrup. Say blueberries.
Yeah, but it's awfully thin. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah. Make some ices. Chip. Another chip. Sweetened waffle. Mom's Best cereal. Big thing of cream, hazelnut cream. And God, we have a machine. No, I say good thing we have a machine. Because I wasn't going to never buy these. I don't know why Sierra stopped buying them. Oh, you wanted one? Oh, y'all saw this. Okay, guys, that's what we got.
That's why she bought both.
Oh, okay, guys, that's it. It's Saturday. We have drinks. These drinks here, I don't like this flavor. I think it's peach or something. Mango, I don't really like those kind. I like the other kind. Blueberry, I think these is for like ices. I think. Oh, we got some different kind. We got, ooh, some lime juice. Yeah, sweetened lime juice. We have 2 of those. 40 pack of water. More eggs. They just gave us eggs yesterday. More eggs and then those drinks. What is that? Vitamin water. Okay, it's not for recessing. Liquid is for sparkling water. More sparkling water. More vitamin water. And chips. And more of this lime juice. And chips. Chili lime. Yeah, I think it's this kind. Mango. Yeah, I don't like these really. I like the other one, but I drink them. And chips. Lime chips and chips. Yeah. Lots of drinks. Sparkling water. Got lots of water. Okay, guys, that's it. Bye, guys. I don't know why I say liquid death. Lord.